signal! Open the gate! Hold! Woo!
Close the gates! Matt, keep a lookout.
Helen!
Hey! Come out, Lee.
Bring it in! It's so good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
It's pure dirt.
Yeah,
How did you come by it?
I've been to dry land.
Dry land is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives in dry land, but we have to hurry. The deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance! Battle station! Helen, get that tower! Back the alarm! Let's go! Everyone! Keep your heads down, swivel! Pleasure to meet you all. Now, I've been appointed to make sure things run smoothly around here, so first order of business. You may have noticed some of our seats are this lovely shade of green, or as I like to call it, the Rogue Wave Zone. Yes, and it's in the name, Rogue Wave. That means you don't know. You're just enjoying the beautiful day. Just Rogue Wave. Yeah, see? I'm trying to teach you something. Rogue Wave. This was a test of our Rogue Wave system. This is nothing compared to a Rogue Wave. So use this information and make good life choices. Now, are there any questions about the green seats and the water? Question? Let me help you out with that. Any other questions? Question, yes. Let me help you out with that. There we go. Any other questions? Yes. Yes. There we go.
What the? Shoot.
There we go.
Oh my God, that's a lot. You better be careful, they're gonna pour you water.
Helping me out is my crew. Take a gander to your right.
Oh my goodness.
Say hi, Conrad. Yeah. Conrad! Love that guy. I would trust Conrad with my life. Feel free to do the same. Take a look to the other side. We got Yayo. I would say hi, Yayo.
Hi, yeah.
I would trust my life with Conrad. Number one guy right there. Give it for Conrad! Super do that, Conrad. Yeah, yo. Look, we all have jobs out here on the atoll, and you are no different. Your job is to be the lookout. You're looking out for smokers. Smokers are the leading cause of death in these here waters. Bad guys. Evil doers. Pirates. Given the chance, they would love to destroy all that we have worked so hard to build. So, smokers are back, okay? Look, you're a lookout now. You gotta be vocal and you gotta be loud. Smokers are back, okay? That was loud. Clearly, he's dehydrated.
Oh my God. No need water.
That hydrates you.
Oh my gosh.
Smokes are back, okay? Smokes are back! Yes! There we go! Fast layer! I like that! Everyone in front of me! Let me hear how loud you can be!
Ah.
Excellent! Conrad, what about your people? Appreciate you. Give me a freestyle, bud.
This show contains many pyrotechnic effects. For your safety and the safety of the performers, we ask your cooperation in remaining seated during the entire performance, keeping the final race clear. Thank you, and enjoy the show.
The future. The polar ice caps have melted, and the continents are deep beneath the waves. The survivors live on these floating fortresses known as atolls in this place called WaterWorld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of dry land, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find dry land first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
Hey, what are you doing? It's a woman! It looks like it's Helen! It's her, Seiko! Open the gate! Hold! Woo!
Close the gates! Matt, keep a lookout.
Helen!
Hey! Come out, me.
We're good. It's so good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
It's pure dirt.
Yeah,
How did you come by?
I've been to dry land.
Dry land is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The Deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance! Battle station! Helen, get to that tower! Back the alarm! Let's go! Everyone! Keep your heads down, swivel! Get to the army, knock down the gate. Go! Man, the seaplane! Anyone have eyes on the seaplane? Get out! Incoming from the south! Get down!
Right to the wall.
Get to the cannon! Cover it!
my goodness.
The girl! I got the girl!
Topside! Hey! Where do you think you're going?
Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh!
Signal the deacon!
Oh! Woo! Oh my God.
Hi.
Oh my God. Oh.
Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. That would have gone a whole lot further too, but that kid distracted me. No, it's okay.
Oh.
I might actually need these people.
Just kidding.
Brothers and sisters! Hey! Deacon! You hear that? We are not your brothers and sisters! Am I right?
Hey.
Shut him up. You!
Ow.
Shut up! Where was I?
That's right.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye bye.